first trip in my Countryman in snow in Minnesota. Sorry, was it the second wave of the Thanksgiving blizzard. Supposed to get 10 inches, I guess, in this area by tomorrow. Oh, look at the eagle or hawk. I can't tell. That's an eagle. Nice. Yeah, we got eagles that live over there. I think I'll go this way. Thing we'll have on the roads is visibility. Yeah, there's probably about 6 inches of snow down there. That wasn't bad at all. I think I'm going to be pretty good with this thing. So far I got 1,700, about 1,800 miles now I'll be on it after this trip, and man, I tell you, it's awesome. Enjoying it. Definitely way quieter than my previous Mini I had, but I had custom exhaust on that, and oh jeez, love the infotainment system, love these hotkeys. There we go. Set my instant to home navigation with the push of button. Oh yeah, these roads aren't bad at all today. Love the HUD too, and Navi. People aren't the biggest fan of the HUDs, but I really enjoy it. End up probably getting some gas here in the local town and coffee, of course. Might be a long drive with traffic and everything happening in cities today. We have our Gophers game today and state championship football going on, and then on Monday we have Monday Night Football with the Vikings. I think it's here too, so it should be a crazy couple days of sporting events. Glad I took the drone footage yesterday with my Mini and my Mavic Mini. It's like nothing. Oh jeez. I see the appeal, all the SUV owners, why people have SUVs now that I have kind of a small sporty one. So yeah, it's the higher up clearance and seating, and for me at least with the Countryman, the ride quality and interior quality is beautiful. Once I get to town, we'll stop, put my gas up. Now I'll probably record the whole footage, my whole trip back in case anything crazy happens. I have a dash cam, of course, up there too, but we'll do the cockpit view. Maybe I'll use this for later, you know, later videos. All about the content. Moment of truth here. Oh, this ain't much snow here at all either. Pretty empty here, huh? Ooh, this will be a test. That's kind of fun. Like soft speed bumps. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of this on the road here today. Oh well. Keep the lights on and take it easy. Spotty drifting. Gotta admit, the roads look really cool when it's like snowing like this. It's almost like they're steaming. drive system. Wow. Like, I just hope I don't get too cocky with it this winter. I can see that. Yeah, this would be pretty rough on sport mode suspension. Right now, just in normal mode. Almost should just go to eco mode in a way. I don't know if that drops the dampeners down to another notch lower or not, but we'll see if there's been any plows on this road here. I imagine this is one of the more major roads coming up. Was it Highway 29? Oh yeah, this road looks solid. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Now if my other car I had, my little Mini Coupe, my R58, oh my god, that would have been a little suspect some of those spots, even because it's so low to the ground. And if you stop and you start plowing snow in front of your car, you're screwed. I found that out. No slip there at all. Try to synchronize up the videos from my dash cam and this video, just to get an idea of what I'm talking about out of the actual front. And of course we're in the country, because what did people do in the country? Fucking tailgating worse than in the city. Like, really?